cool outside, 50 degrees outside, you know what I'm saying? We in sport mode. We in sport mode, by the way. Y'all hear that, bro? Hey, man. Hit on another one. Lord. Good God. Good Lord. Bro, that shit, oh. Why you gotta turn, man? Move, man. I can't even downshift if you lucky. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just be getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. But I was gonna do the head mount, man. I got lazy and I'm charging my phone, so I can't have the head mount on. You know what I'm saying, with the phone. And now that, which way should I go? Which way should I go? I want to go left, but I'm gonna go that way. But yeah, Cari crew, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. Look at the sunlight, man. Look at the sunset. Beautiful. Magnificent. But yeah, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, like I just said, you know what I'm saying? And y'all comment down below, man, you know what I'm saying? What kind of videos y'all would like to see? You know what I'm saying? What kind of POVs y'all would like to see? Or what kind of car videos y'all would like to see? Or whatever the case may be, man. Lord. That upshift, when you like, bro, when you upshift the car like these, but my Lord, that downshift so nasty. But you like hold the gear and just kind of hold it a little bit, then upshift and kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like go with it. I don't know what I'm talking about. I gotta just show y'all, like, say how I'm going. See how I'm holding it, and then you just like a little pop. You gotta do it a certain way though, and it be in a certain gear. Bruh, that downshift to fourth is crazy. Cause bruh, the whole car like move, y'all just can't feel it, like bruh. I ain't gonna even turn, I'm gonna keep going. I was gonna turn. But yeah, man. Y'all comment down below what kind of video y'all wanna see, man, you know what I'm saying? Just, I know y'all like the cutting up and, oh, that downshift to fourth is so, I don't know why that done hitting today, bro. I don't know why that done hitting today, Cari crew. Y'all gotta feel like that bitch, I don't know, Olivia be waking up feeling different, bro. It's cool outside. 50 degrees outside, you know what I'm saying? We in sport mode. We in sport mode, by the way. Y'all hear that, bro? Hey, man. Hit on another one. Lord. Good God. Good Lord. Bro, that shit, oh. Why you gotta turn, man? Move, man. I can't even downshift if you lucky. Cari crew, man. Olivia sound too good, man. even be flooring it, bro. Like it's just, I just be making the talk, man. I'm making Olivia talk, man. That junk is, bro. It surprised me every time, Cari Crew. I can't even get what I was saying out, but. Yeah, man. Like I was saying, just comment down below what kind of video y'all like to see. I know y'all like to see the drifting every turn and all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm the originator of that. If nobody knew that, it's your first time being on this channel. And you've seen it for somewhere. I'm the originator of drifting every turn or sliding every turn. You know what I'm saying? I made the trend. You know what I'm saying? I can proudly say that. You know what I'm saying? Humbly. You feel me? I ain't trying to be something like, you know what I'm saying? But I should be able to talk my talk. You know what I'm saying? Every now and then. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Because I did. Started, like, I ain't lying. That wind cold, but I ain't gonna lie. Bro, the heat was on. I ain't know I had the heater on. I gotta find somewhere to turn around at. Boy. Hey, I could have turned right there. I'm having so much fun, man. My Lord. I'm just having fun, man. I ain't know what to call it. Cutting up in the back roads, in traffic, cutting up in traffic on the back road, stretching, giving y'all endless pull, man. One day I'm gonna do a video of that, no talking. I'm just gonna do the intro, and then it's just gonna be just like driving, but y'all driving, like nobody ain't talking. It's just straight Olivia. But yeah, man, like I was saying, I gotta drive the right hand, boy. My hands start getting tight holding the phone. Now, how the hell I'm gonna turn around? I can turn around. It's up. One lane driveway. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know what kind of video y'all would like to see, man. Just comment, bro. Like, people, only time people say something when I make a community post or something. And I know y'all like the active videos. Watch them. All the people that came from the drifting every turn video, all y'all that subscribe, man. Them videos always gonna be around, bro. But enjoy all of them, like these. Cause I cut up in this. I slide with one hand, like, it ain't nothing. Literally ain't nothing. Ain't nothing, Cari Crew. I done made a video. Look at my, just go through my channel, bro. I got a lot of like drifting every turn part 3, bro. That's like the littest one. And everybody sleep on that one, bro. Like, that's literally the littest one. Like drifting every turn part 3, bro. On my channel, bro. Look at it. Go look at it. I might put them in the link in the description, bro. Like drifting every turn part 3. Bro, y'all gotta watch that one. That one I did my 5K celebration and everything. Like, bro. Y'all gotta watch that one. That bitch was lit. That's my favorite one. I ain't gonna cap. Bro, that downshif's stupid. But yeah. Go watch that part 3, bro. That was the craziest one to me, bro. I was going stupid, like literally like just going crazy. Like, y'all gotta watch that one, bro. That one turned for real. Folks sleep on that one. That bitch turned. But nevertheless, man, like I said, comment down below what kind of video y'all like to see, man. Other kind of POVs and stuff like that. I told y'all I ain't gonna make these videos that long. The drifting, the last one was just kind of long because I just got carried away. But I ain't gonna go too crazy in this one. You know what I'm saying? Well, man, make this one too long. Lord. Oh my gosh. Like, bruh, that's sport. Sport is my favorite drive mode when I want to really go crazy. Track cool, bruh. I use track for like actually racing. Like, if I'm actually finna go like race for real. Like a dead race, something like that. But sport, bruh, for like road racing or just any kind of like just on the road, just going, bruh, and just driving the street, it's a funny one. And the safest one. That damn shit's so stupid, dog. Bro, I be shifting without even looking. I just be listening to the motor. I ain't even lie. Sometimes I look, depending on what I'm doing. If I'm trying to see like what RPMs I'm hitting and how it sounds. But other than that, bro, I just be going. Slow it down, slow it down. Yeah. But yeah, man, like, man, Cari crew, bro. Oh my goodness, oh boy, excuse me, shouter, excuse me. Dang, bless you, God, bless you, Olivia, golly. Where that came from? I ain't never heard that one. Y'all gotta hear it in person, bro, but I ain't never heard that one, Olivia, hold on, huh? But yeah, man, we got all 4 windows down, they just cracked, you know what I'm saying? It's too cold right now. That more that low. But hey, y'all see what, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, do y'all hear that, dog? Like, is it just me or is it getting hot in here? But nah, man. Like I was saying, it's gonna be a wrap, but hey, like, for real, y'all gonna look at that drifting every turn. Part 3, bro. Part 3. Look at part 3. Hell, why all of them? It's like 7 of them, but watch part 3 for sure. That's what I'm talking about. Part 3. They go in order. Like from the go find the first one, they just keep going up. It'll be in the mix. But yeah, man. That gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to make this video more shorter. This video was kind of, you know, a little bit shorter, but I'm gonna try to get 10 minutes or less, you know what I'm saying? Just to give y'all a quick little something to watch while you snacking on something at work, you know what I'm saying? Or you just bored. But yeah, Olivia just talking to y'all right quick, but yeah, man, like I said, it's gonna be a wrap. Like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Cari crew. Sky's the limit, you can touch it, man. You know what I'm saying? So don't ever give up. You know what I'm saying? Because if you don't give up, you know what I'm saying? You can't say it'll work. Just don't give up. You know what I'm saying? Keep going. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna tell you that now. Whatever you're trying to do, bro, it's gonna take a while, bro. It's gonna take a while, my nigga. So just buckle up, bro. It's gonna take a while. Don't even expect this shit to happen that week after that, a month. Nigga, give it some time, bro. A couple months. With everything you do, a couple months. No matter how easy it seems to be achievable, bro. Give yourself a couple months. You never know what obstacles you might face while doing that. You know what I'm saying? So just keep going, my nigga. Whoever watching right now, just keep going, bro. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Just from a real nigga platform. I ain't no big superstar. I ain't none of that. I'm giving y'all niggas the real spiel. I'm not gonna lie to y'all about nothing in real life, man. Just keep going. I'm trying to make a dream out of this right here while you watching right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my dream. This is a passion right here. Like, Cari crew is a passion of mine, bro. Like, I never thought I'd be doing something like this, bro. I wanted to hoop, bro. Everybody had that hoop dream. I literally wanted to go to the league, bro. Literally. Like, I was banking on that, like, in my head. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I want to do. Like, I don't think about nothing else, bro. And look what I'm doing, bro. And loving it, bro. Like, this shit fun to me. I'm just trying to make it a career and go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Really show y'all something. Like, put y'all on game, man. Everybody gonna eat. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to share. I ain't trying to hide no money from nobody. Especially on the tube, bro. We all can eat, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, like the video. Fuck with you, boy. I ain't, boy. It's gonna be a minute. You know what I'm saying? But You know what I'm saying? On YouTube out there that really doing YouTube for real, like y'all really, you know what I'm saying, doing it for real. Folk rhyme my way, 10K, whatever like that, or even less. You know what I'm saying? 5K, like you just really working. Like, come on, man. Let's get to it. Let's get these POV. Let's get these cut-ups. Let's get these whatever. Turn it. See what the difference is with all that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. But Cari crew, that's enough of me just talking and stuff. But like I was saying, man, keep your head up. All my religious folks, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. Always, you know what I'm saying, keep him in the mix. Pray to him. Tell him how thankful you are, how grateful you are for everything he's done for you, bro. For even be able to tell him thank you at the moment. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all do that, man, for all my religious folks. But like I said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.